This week, we are looking at an IELTS speaking Part 2 response. And as you know, in Part 2, you are speaking by yourself for 1 to 2 minutes. And this is on a topic that is presented to you on a cue card. Today's cue card is on the topic of something broken that you had repaired. I'll read the cue card to you now. Talk about something in your home that was broken and then repaired. Please say what it was, when it broke, why it broke, and explain how it was repaired. Okay, we are going to now listen to the full sample this week. And as always, this sample was scripted at the Band 9 level by a practicing IELTS examiner. If you come across any new language as you listen to this sample, be proactive. Make sure that you are noting this in your journal. It's very important. And review this journal regularly to ensure that you are retaining the new bits of language that you come across in these exercises.
Now I would like you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes on a topic. Start speaking now, please.
Earlier this year, at the start of spring, I pulled my bicycle out of my basement. I store it there during the winter. When I went to ride it, I realized the back tire was completely flat, and I couldn't seem to reinflate it with my bicycle pump, so I knew it had been punctured, either when I was putting it into storage or taking it out. My basement is small, so I have to cram my bicycle in among my other things. There are all sorts of random bits and bobs down there, so I'm pretty sure one of these other items caused the hole in the tire. To fix it, I took it to a bicycle repair shop. The repair person removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube and submerged it in water to locate the hole. By squeezing this part of the tire while it is underwater, the punctured area emits bubbles, and the repair person can see precisely where the hole is. The repair person fused a rubber patch over the hole using an adhesive and then submerged the tubing again underwater to ensure the leak had been fixed. They then reassembled the tire, reattached it to my bicycle, and I was on my way. Amazingly, the whole process took maybe 15 minutes and was very reasonably priced. Okay, so we're now going to move to the try stage of learn, try, apply. And at this stage, you are shadowing the speaking model. So you are repeating after the model and trying to modify your sound as much as you can so it sounds like the model. So if this is your first time doing a shadowing exercise, you will hear the sample and then be given a pause within which to repeat what you have heard. And in doing this over and over again, you will train for fluency and you will improve your pronunciation and pacing. In this YouTube video, you will be repeating these 2 sentences from the model, and I'll just read them quickly to you, just to refresh your memory. So the candidate says, to fix it, I took it to a bicycle repair shop. The repair person removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube and submerged it in water to locate the hole. Okay, let's start this week's shadowing exercise. Enjoy. To fix it, I took it to a bicycle repair shop. To fix it. To fix it. I took it to a bicycle repair shop. Repair shop. Repair shop. I took it to a bicycle repair shop. To fix it, I took it to a bicycle repair shop. The repair person removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube and submerged it in water to locate the hole. Repair person Removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube. Rubber inner tube. 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 Rubber inner tube. Removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube. And submerged it in water to locate the hole. Submerged it in water. Submerged. Submerged. Submerged it in water. To locate the hole. To locate the hole. And submerged it in water to locate the hole. The repair person removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube and submerged it in water to locate the hole. The repair person removed the flat tire's rubber inner tube and submerged it in water to locate the hole. I hope you found that exercise helpful. So you've now worked through the learn and try stages of learn, try, apply. So your homework this week is to go out and complete the apply stage. Try to use some of the language that you have learned in this exercise in your own day-to-day speaking. And remember that you should be reviewing your journal regularly and even repeating these shadowing exercises. It's an ongoing cycle of improvement. If you contribute a little time to this cycle every single day, I guarantee that you will see improvement in your speaking, greater confidence as you speak, and of course these two things together will produce a much better IELTS speaking band. Thank you very much for tuning in this week, and join me again next week for another IELTS shadowing exercise.